The spread of the Buddha's teachings. One epiphany, become the world's light. What started under the Bodhi tree was now spreading from village to village, from heart to heart. The Buddha was no longer by himself. People started to follow him from all walks of life. Monarchs, farmers, merchants, monks, everyone is looking for tranquility. This is the tale of how humanity started to change as a result of the teachings of the Buddha. Walking across India, the Buddha traversed northern India non-stop, through villages, rivers, and forests in congested urban areas. He had very little, just a begging bowl and some basic robes. However, wherever he went, he was surrounded by people, not due to money, not due to authority, but because he was a peaceful presence. People began to follow him. Many people who heard the Buddha speak felt a stirring within them. Some people moved on from their previous life. Others just paid close attention, attempting to comprehend both peace and suffering. His lessons were straightforward but quite strong. He imparted compassion, consciousness, empathy. In the absence of attachment, gradually, around him, a community started to grow. The Sangha emerged from this, the monastic community and its adherents. Kings and common people, not just the wealthy, were taught by the Buddha or just the underprivileged. Everyone was treated equally by him. Kings sat next to common laborers. Rich merchants sat next to beggars. For the first time, many felt that their status wasn't taken into consideration, but because of their humanity. Because of this, the teachings of the Buddha were unlike anything that mankind had previously encountered.
Teachings of compassion. Once more and again, one fact was brought to people's attention by the Buddha: hatred does not put an end to hatred. Hatred can only be eradicated by love. He urged individuals to lead attentive lives, to be honest, to prevent hurting other people, to pay close attention to the thoughts. He spoke in a composed manner, however, they were incredibly powerful. Challenges and criticism. The teachings of the Buddha were not readily embraced by all. He was criticized by several. Some made fun of his supporters, others were concerned about the Sangha's expanding power. However, the Buddha did not lose his composure. He never reacted angrily, rather, he responded to hatred patiently, and gradually. Even many of his detractors started to like him. A path for everyone. What strengthened the Buddha's teachings was that everyone could participate. He didn't ask for unquestioning faith. He urged them to watch, to inquire, to discover the truth for themselves. The road was unrestricted by background, wealth, or caste. Anyone who was prepared to travel the path mindfully could proceed in the direction of peace. From one enlightened man beneath a tree, a movement had begun. A movement not built on fear, but on wisdom and compassion. And even today, the Buddha's teachings continue to guide millions toward inner peace.
Take a deep breath. And remember, real strength is found in compassion. Subscribe to Just Breathe for more spiritual stories and wisdom.